Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our
channel.
Today is Thursday and we are going somewhere. Where are you going, Lini?
To the doctors.
To the doctors. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Hindi kami pupunta ng doctors, guys. So today is appointment namin for the maternal and child health nurse for baby Celine's 8-month na check-up. So, it's currently 1:30 ata. And yung appointment namin is 2:15. Chinek ko yung address kasi first time namin na pumunta dito sa maternal and child health nurse sa Brisbane. Last time was in Melbourne. Kaya, yeah, first time namin na pumunta dito. So, it shows the Google Maps. Tita, oh, hello, this is a baby Celine. Why are you crying? So, sabi ng Google Maps, guys, it's only 11 minutes drive. So, hindi siya masyadong malayo dito sa amin. Kaya, pa-relax kami. Maaga ko silang, binihisan kasi akala ko, medyo malayo kasi hindi ko chinek kanina, guys. Ngayon lang talaga. So, meron pa pala kaming time. So, that's good. Nakna. Alam niyo naman guys, kung matagal na kayong nakasubaybay sa channel natin, super excited talaga ako kapag mga check-up na ng mga kids. Kasi, alam niyo ba yung chine-check yung height and weight and alam niyo yun, basta lahat yung development. And, you know, I always look forward sa mga sinasabi na feedback ng mga nurses kung ano yung sa tingin nila ay maganda, yung hindi kaaya-aya, or yung pwede pang ma-improve. Generally, wala naman akong wala naman akong issue or mga parang pinag-alala kay baby Celine. So, that's good. That's a good start. Diba na? Tingnan nyo ang ating Ate Paris na naka-pink. Ngayon ko lang napansin guys, naka-pink pala kaming tatlo. Or pink ba itong sa akin? Or peach? Anak, what's wrong? Celine! What's wrong?
My eye angry thing.
No, I'm not angry, Celine. Yeah.
It's not
Put this on your head.
What?
So, tingnan niyo sa Ate Paris ay naka-dress ng pink. Ipakita namin sa inyo mamaya ng proper pag nakalabas na kami. So, Daddy Mike didn't work today. Nandito siya sa bahay, guys. Kasi masakit yung kanyang tiyan.
Cause
I don't know kung ano yung nakain niya.
Daddy got some tummy ache.
Tummy ache? Yeah? What's wrong with Daddy, my love?
Cause of tummy ache.
Hindi ko alam kung may nakain siya, guys, or sinasabi niya na baka daw. Oh, I don't this one, anak. Right, one. Kasi diba nag-antibiotic siya dahil sa kanyang ubo. So sabi niya, parang side effect daw talaga yun ng antibiotic, yung magka-diarrhea. Kaya nagka-diarrhea, guys. Sumakit yung tiyan niya. Kaya yun. Alam niyo ba rin na dapat sana today ay dadalhin ko itong isa. Kasi June na to siya, guys, sa kanyang immunization ba for 4 year. Tapos, sinisendan ako ng message ng government, guys, na yun na nga. June na siya, kailangan na siyang pa-update nga yung kanyang vaccination. Kaya ngayon, guys, hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagawin ko. Kasi for sure, I'll have a hard time kapag ako lang mag-isa pumunta doon. Tapos, takot na takot to, guys. Takot na takot to siya sa sa karayom. Kaya, sabi ni Daddy Mike, hayaan mo na lang. We'll see pag okay siya, tapos nakapag-off siya. Sasama siya. Siya yung magdadala kay Ate Paris. Mahirap talaga, guys. Lalo na kapag may ito maliit. Hello! Tapos yan siya paiyak-iyak kapag makakita ng karayom. Mahirapan talaga ako, guys. But yeah. Shall we go now? What's the time?
1:40.
1:40? Hala, we should go na, So, ito yung ating, guys, dala. Book. Ito yung dala pa namin from Melbourne, Victoria. Ayan. So, I don't think kung meron silang mga ganito dito, guys. Yung mga libro-libro. think Victoria lang ata. Pero dinadala ko kasi nakikita nila dito yung mga history ba? Ibig sabihin yung mga past check-ups niya sa Melbourne. Yeah. Ayan, dalhin. Nakla? Ready? Steady? Go! Papatulong ko kay Daddy Mike palagay ng prom sa sasakyan. Kasi, hirap. Hindi nga nakapagsuklay si mami nyo, guys. Oh, hayaan nyo, guys. Hayaan nyo na. Come on, let's go, Ate Paris. We gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go. We gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go. Silly to go. Are you ready for your checkup? Ginamit kasi yung prom. Kahapon, guys.
Can I ride my scooter for a bit?
Oh, we have to ride the scooter later when we come home. Na. Scooter. We have to go na, anak, because we'll be late.
Just for 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Oh, okay, maybe
Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, go. While I
4.
take the car out.
Might just do 4, maybe. Might just do 4.
Okay,
That's what I want.
go. So, kailangan ko ilabas yung sasakyan, guys, para mailagay yung pram sa likuran. Kawawa naman ang ating nadi eh. Okay. Kagwapa sa nag-ride sa scooter, oy. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Gosh, dalagang-dalaga naman ang ating baby Paris, eh.
Paris, come on.
I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home.
Alright guys, time check tayo. It's now 4:13 in the afternoon. So, andito pa rin tayo sa sasakyan as you can see. Pagkatapos kanina sa maternal and child health nurse, nag-drive kami. Medyo matagal-tagal kami doon guys kasi first time namin sa clinic na yun. Obviously, parang, you know, kailangan namin ibigay lahat ng impormasyon na kailangan nila. So, it took, hindi ko na alam guys kung gaano katagal, pero matagal siya. So, nag-drive kami galing doon, papunta dito. Nandito kami sa harapan ng McDonald's kasi si Ate Paris natin ay gusto niya ng Happy Meal. So, pagkadating namin dito, ay nakatulog siya. Tulog silang dalawa actually, thanks God. Kasi paiyak-iyak si Baby Celine kanina guys. She's very tired. Pagkadating namin doon, she just fell asleep. So, nadisturbo yung kanyang tulog. So, paiyak-iyak siya nang nandun kami sa room. Anyway, so binilhan ko na lang sa Ate Paris ng Happy Meal. Alam niyo ba, nagpapabili siya nito kasi merong laruan. Yun lang talaga yung gusto niya. And then, nagbili na lang din ako ng cheeseburger sa Happy Meal para pang snacks ni mami niyo. So, all in all, the check went well. Everything is fine with our baby Celine. We checked the height, the weight, the size of the head. They're growing, which is what we want. Of course, we have to make sure that she's growing beautifully, and yung development. And also maraming katanungan guys, does she do this, does she clap her hands, does she crawl now, yung mga ganun ba. Tapos yung brain development and all, if she's following you, if she's copying you, is she making noises now, what are the words that she can say, and all that sort of stuff. So, you know, very happy. Everything is fine in that part. And then, share ko lang sa inyo, since nandito naman ako sa sakyan ngayon, and then I'm still waiting for the kids. Share ko sa inyo. So, on our way there, nakatanggap ako ng tawag, no caller ID. So, normally, hindi talaga ako sumasagot kapag no caller ID, guys. Kasi alam nyo, yung mga scam na mga ganyan na mga number. Kaya, yeah, hindi ko talaga sinasagot. Kaya nga lang, knowing that we're going to see the maternal and child health nurse, sa Melbourne kasi, kapag tumatawag sila before the appointment, it's no caller ID. Sabi ko, baka yung nurse. And then, guess who? Yung tumawag, guys. So, I got a call from the police officer. It is connected to the thief. Can you remember? Kailan pa ito nangyari, guys? At least 2 months ago, I'd say. Yung ninakawan tayo sa yung sa Facebook Marketplace pa. So, yung hindi pa nakapanood, maybe I'll just leave the link in the description box below or some, link somewhere here kung ano yung nangyari. So, let's just recall for a little bit kung ano yung nangyari. So, yun na nga, yung babae, she wanted to buy something off me from Facebook Marketplace, and then she took off without paying. Basically, ninakaw niya yung mga gamit kasi hindi niya binayaran. Bigla na lang siyang umalis, 'di ba? So ngayon, nung nireport ko siya, unfortunately, ewan ko kung bakit, guys, but you have to do everything here online dito sa I don't know kung Brisbane lang or Australia, all over Australia. So, kailangan mo lang gumawa, parang mag-file ka ng police report online. So, I never heard back from the police since then. So, parang, sabi ko, hindi siya pwera na siguro nila yung case na yun. Kasi sabi niya, very minor lang siguro yun para sa kanila. So, I was very surprised nung nakatanggap ako ng tawag. Sabi nila, this is police, blah, blah, blah. This is in regards to the case na nireport mo about the thief, the robbery na nangyari. Sabi niya, he's starting the investigation now, and he wanted to know more. So, nakita na niya naman lahat kasi pinrovide ko naman lahat yung mga evidence, yung messages sa Facebook Marketplace. And then, parang pinunton niya talaga sa akin na Facebook Marketplace is not a safe place para sa, selling stuff. Which I know naman, guys. It's not a rocket science naman. Facebook Marketplace, sobrang daming scammers, sobrang daming mga masasamang loob. Sabi ng police, can you tell me more about what happened? So, sabi ko naman sa kanya, guys, na, well, the bottom of the story is, nireturn ni ate yung ninakaw niya. Kasi 'di ba the next day, yung mga kinuha niya, binalik niya sa mailbox namin. So, sabi ko sa police, I don't know what she was up to, yung babaeng yun. But the next day she returned it dahil sinabi ko naman sa police, guys, na I posted that lady's face, the conversation and all sa mga Facebook group na dito sa area namin para ma-aware din yung ibang tao. And I was thinking, sabi din naman ng police, maybe yan yung nakapagpa-realize sa kanya na ibalik na lang niya yung mga gamit kasi yung mga consequences na mangyayari kung hindi niya ibabalik yung mga bagay na kinuha niya, di ba? So, sinabi ko sa police na yun na nga, para bang it's not about, yes, yung mga bagay na kinuha niya, very important, di ba? Because they've got value, but most importantly, yung parang naging upset ako is because kung ano yung ginawa niya sa akin mentally and emotionally. Kasi after ng pangyayaring yun, parang natakot na ako makipag-usap sa ibang tao. Like, I sell stuff online, and natakot akong kapag may nagsabi na, oh, can I please have a look at this, or can I buy this, I pick it up this time. Natatakot na ako kasi yung iniisip ko is baka siya, or baka kakilala niya, or baka ano pa yung gagawin niya. So, sabi ko sa police, siguro makikita mo naman dyan sa record ko, makikita nyo yung pangalan ko dyan, na may report din ako a month ago about sa sasakyan namin. So someone smashed in the sunroof of our car, and I was thinking that maybe it's related to her. Kasi nga diba, dahil sa ginawa ko rin na pag-post sa kanyang mukha sa Facebook pages. And then sabi naman ng police, yes, it's very easy to get into that conclusion na baka siya, kasi nga diba may parang history kayo. But sabi niya, it's very strange, it's very unusual na yung babae daw na yun kasi wala daw siyang record, walang bad record. So first time yun, or maybe nagawa na niya before pero hindi ni-report ng ibang tao. But basing sa kanilang record, wala daw yung pangalan ng babae na yun na bad record. So sabi niya, maybe, you know, marami daw silang natatanggap na very similar issue sa sasakyan na ganito yung nangyari. So that's a different story, guys, kasi ibang case din yung sasakyan natin from that nakaw-nakaw experience. So pero yun na nga sabi niya, you know, we can't go to the conclusion straight away na yun yung babae yung may gawa dito sa sasakyan. But gusto lang niyang itanong sa akin kung ipagpapatuloy ko pa ba yung case, yung case na nilodge ko. Kasi sabi ko naman sa kanya, yeah, she returned it. And then sabi ng police, even though she returned it, hindi pa rin magbabago yung fact na she still committed an offense. Kasi initially, dinala niya yung mga gamit without paying for them. So it's still nakaw, diba? So sabi niya sa akin na, yeah, it's all up to you, you know, you can just, you know, if you think that it's done and dusted, it's over on your end, you can just, you know, cancel the case, or, you know, we can keep going. But then, sabi ko sa kanya, guys, I am in the car, I'm with the kids. Alam niyo naman, kapag nandito kami sa sasakyan, guys, so worried about Celine crying. She doesn't like the car. And parang iniisip ko, kahit na nag-uusap kami ng police while I was driving, is, you know, yung may mga kids sa likod na they will get uncomfortable very soon, iiyak. So sabi niya, I'll call you back tomorrow, and then yeah, maybe you can let me know what you'd like to do. So sabi ko naman, guys, parang sa isip ko naman, maybe let's just, you know, I just want to end the drama here. Para bang siguro i-cancel ko na lang yung case or something, na parang wala na akong iisipin pa, kasi ayoko nang, parang wala na naman eh, para ano lang talaga yun siguro siya, maybe once off. Siguro nga lang ay nadala lang siguro talaga siya, na alam niyo ba yung window of opportunity na makuha yung gamit without paying, yun yung ginawa siguro ni ate. But yeah, I'll talk to Daddy Mike tonight and see kung ano yung sabihin niya. For sure, knowing Daddy Mike will just say, just cancel it and just, you know, just forget about it. Kasi ganyang tao si Daddy Mike, like, you know, he doesn't want drama at all. But kung kayo yung nasa position ko, guys, what do you think? What do you think you're going to do? Like, are you going to keep going with the case and try to maybe I don't know, ang tawag dito, because I don't know what to get out of it. Siguro siya, para maano siya, di ba, ano tawag dito, lesson learn niya na hindi na niya gawin yun sa iba. But for me, like, it's, you know, wala naman akong, like, I'm slowly getting over it. I'm slowly, you know, forgetting about it. So, I'm getting better. But again, I'm so worried for the fact that she will be doing it to someone else. Diba? At mangyayari na naman sa ibang tao yung nangyari sa akin na sobrang nasaktan, sobrang na trauma. Alam niyo yun. So, let me know in the comment section below, guys, what you think. Anong gagawin niyo kung kayo yung nasa position ko. If you'll just leave it, just, you know, forget about it. Like, forgive and forget. O pagpapatuloy. Yeah. I would love to hear your thoughts, guys, about it. But yeah, I'll speak to the police again tomorrow. The kids are still asleep. But yeah, I might drive home now, guys. Malapit lang naman kami. Mga 5 minutes na lang. Drive. Ano? Sleeping, baby. Ewan ko kung kita niyo doon ang isa. Ayan.
A few moments later.
Tignan niyo guys, ngayon lang nagising. It's 5:20 na ng hapon, anak. It's 5:20 in the afternoon, madilim na. Sabi niya, can we go to Old McDonald's now? Do you wanna go to Old McDonald's now?
Oh my god, they're running. I want to get another one now.
Hmm?
I want to get another one, I said.
Yeah, you were sleeping, so Mama just went through the drive-thru. We'll have it when we go out, okay?
When we get in.
Hmm.
I mean,
Yes. Because Celine is still sleeping, guys. Nandito kami sa labas ng bahay, nagpa-park. Hinintay ko lang na magising
Nay?
itong dalawa. Yeah?
I want to go.
Yeah. Celine's still sleeping, man. We have to, I'll call Daddy Mike. Actually, kasi kailangan magpatulong ako. I can hold Celine. Tingnan nyo, so while hinihintay ko sila na magising, ay nag-edit ako guys ng vlog natin. So ayan, exporting movie now. So ito yung vlog natin for tonight. Wait, so be 5:20 pag na to siya, transfer to siya sa phone tapos i-upload ko sa YouTube.
Mommy,
Yes, anak.
I need to go toilet.
Ooh. Yeah? Do you wanna wee or poo-poo? Wee? Okay. Do you wanna wee down there while Celine's still asleep? In the grass? On the grass?
I want to do it when we get inside.
Okay. Alright. We'll go in soon, okay?
Someone might get past. Someone might get past.
Aww. It's getting dark naman. No one will see you. Mamahiya pala siya, guys. Baka daw may dumaan.
But Santa Claus will come. Just look at him, just wave at me.
Yeah?
He'll come
Santa
at-
Claus will look at you, Bamba?
No. Yes. But he
Ano,
will-
what happened to your headband na? Ang tang-tang na.
I dropped it in the car, actually.
Okay, it's just there somewhere. So yun na nga guys, nag-upload si mami niyo. Hala, ang ating light. Kangil. So nag-upload si mami niyo 9 o'clock Australian time, guys. So may time pa tayo na ano yan?
Fred, can you give me
Upload
my
and
box? Can you give me
public.
my box? I'm not gonna open it. I
course.
just wanna hold it.
Of course. There you go.
I can't reach. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I just wanna hold it.
Yeah. Are you excited?
I don't know which toy I got.
Surprise, surprise.
Cause last time I didn't get one.
Didn't you? Oh yeah, that's true. They forgot, yeah?
Yeah. Oh my! I think they didn't have a toy.
Oh, they run out?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this time, for sure you have one.
Yeah.
You
Cause
excited?
last time I used our bench one.
That's right.
Bench one that was the toy.
Okay. So, we'll go in now. Hindi na namin hinahayaan dito sa labas yung sasakyan, guys. Dinadala namin sa garage na.
My food smells good.
We'll learn it the hard way. Anak?
I smell my food.
You smell it? It
Yeah.
smells good?
Yeah, I smell the chips.
It's kitchen time, guys. Luto tayo ng ating hapunan. Actually, si Daddy Mike ayaw niya ng hapunan kasi nga masama yung pakiramdam niya sa tiyan niya. So, I'm just making Celine and Ate Paris dinner. So, for baby Celine, guys, ito yung gagawin ko. So, I've got snow peas. And then, i-puree ko lang siya. Ay, ano ko dito ba? Sa kanyang NutriBullet. And then, I'll put green lentils. Ayan. Mabilis lang yan. Papakuluan. And then, yeah, that's it. And then I'm going to make Ate Paris, bigyan ko siya ng fruit now actually. I'm gonna make her ham and cheese sandwich. Alright. So, masakit talaga yung tiyan ni Daddy Mike, guys. Ewan ko lang. Sabi ko, kailangan na talaga niya pumunta ng doktor bukas. Kasi, ganyan yan siya eh. Ewan ko kung ano yung hinihintay niya, guys. Pag ganyan sana yung nararamdaman, diretso na sa doktor, di ba? Para malaman kung ano yung problema. Kaysa naman magdoktor-doktoran tayo dito, hindi natin alam kung ano yung problema. And, yeah. So, ayun. Nilalaro niya si Baby Selena. Nandun sila sa isang kwarto. Ganda nito, oh. Hindi ko pala alam na meron kaming ganito, guys. Tinignan ko lang yung cupboard ba. Kasi si Danny Mike talaga yung mahilig bumili ng ganito. Si Absolute Organic Green Lentils. Good source of iron, potassium, and protein. So, ayan. I'm very happy, guys, kasi alam niyo ang ating baby Celine ay love na love niya yung food. So, fingers crossed ha. Sana hindi natin i-jinx. But, yeah. Sobrang ano niya sa pagkain. Hindi siya mapili kapag binibigay ko sa niya. Kasi, baby pa siya, diba? Parang hindi pa niya naaano kung ano yung vegetable, ano yung fruit, yung mga ganun. Unlike Ate Paris before, guys, malaki na nung in-introduce ko yung solid, kaya alam niyang mag-decide. Anyway, so hopefully she will like this one as well.
Daddy, Mommy.
Ha? Kunti lang naman. Maliit lang naman kainin yung baby Celine. Ayaw kong magluto ng madami kasi you'll never know, diba? Hindi magustuhan or something. Mabilis na naman gumawa ulit. And then, yung sabi kanina ng doktor is, hindi, doktor yung nurse, i-start nang mag-introduce kay baby Celine ng mga allergen food. So, alam niyo yung eggs, yung mga dairy, ganun, kailangan na kasi para malaman kung may allergies sa mga ganun, yung mga nuts. And I don't think she's got allergy ng ganun kasi tinry ko na naman to sa kanya, The other day, nag-mash ako ng banana. Nilagyan ko nito, linseed, sunflower seeds, and almonds. Si almonds na nut, right? So, wala naman siyang reaction. Sabi ng nurse, if you try it, like egg and kailangan i-try mo siya during lunchtime. Para in case na may allergy reaction ganun, is yung ambulance ganun, madali kasi hindi traffic pag around lunchtime. Kasi alam niyo naman, guys, ganyan talaga. Kapag sobrang aga, mga peak hour ba, tapos sa gabi, very din. Pag pauwi na yung mga workers, so it looks like, ayan. Tapos, pag soft na yan, ilalagay ko siya sa doon sa nutri-bullet. Tapos, i-mash. Go. Very healthy. Lainey! Where are you going? Alam niyo ba, she's scrolling now, guys. Gamit yung kanya, tuhod talaga. Hindi yung parang komando na crow. Oh. Nini girl! Psst. Naririnig niya yung TV. Psst. go, Selena. Tingnan nyo ang dalawa, guys, oh. Gising na gising pa. Shh. Gising na gising pa kasi nakatulog sila kanina sa sasakyan, diba?
Maya, someone play.
Kaya, yan. Gising na gising. Ang tatay nila, guys, ay masakit pa rin yung tiyan. Andun sa shower. Nak, you're sweating, Nak. Lini. Play with si Lini, Nak. Uy! 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 Shh. She'll be sleeping soon too, guys. Tingnan niyo. Ang dilim dito sa kwarto na to.
And Selene sleeps in 8 minutes. Selene sleeps in 8 minutes.
I know. She's going to sleep very soon. Aren't you? Eh? Ow, 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 ow. Ashush! Buksa ang mamaga.
It's just 9 minutes.
What are you doing there?
Just looking on my bed. Just looking on my bed.
Yan siya, bisan pa yan siya. Oh, I'm gonna get your daddy rice.
Mine?
Yes? Oh yeah, just leave it there, anak. That's for Selene.
Daddy?
Selene. Come down, anak. Careful, daddy, huh?
I'm a ninja.
Minja?
Yeah.
What's Minja?
I do know ninja was learning that ballet.
The what?
Was learning ninja and ballet.
Minja or ninja?
Ninja.
Minja sa magkagalan. So, nagluto ako ng rice for Daddy Mike, guys. Kasi nabasa ko sa, online, na pag masakit daw yung tiyan. Alam niyo yung, nag-search ako ba kung how to cure tummy ache at home. So, isa doon ay yung rice. Kasi nga daw, anong sabi dito, be? Kasi ayaw kumain na Daddy Mike, guys, kasi wala siyang gana. Pero nga, maano din naman yung tiyan niya. Ay, nawala. Basta yung yung rice daw ay, kasi nag-diarrhea din si Daddy Mike, so yung rice ay makaka-harden ba ng poo. Tapos, ano ba yun? Basta may mga benefits kapag rice. So yun, nagsaing ako ng kanin. Andun pa siya, ewan ko kung naririnig niyo ang, shower. Andun siya nakaupo, guys, sa ilalim ng shower. Oh, goodness. Sabi ko bukas, punta ka talaga ng doktor. Kasi, it's not good. Kasi it's over a day now na masakit yung tiyan niya. Kasi dito lang sa bahay, parang naghihintay ng miracle ba? No. Can I go to sleep soon? Go to sleep soon? Sabi ko nga sa kanya, sinisilip ko siya doon sa shower. Sabi ko, do you want me to take you to the hospital now? Kasi nanghihina din ako, guys, kapag ganyan ba? Kapag isang member ng family, ang hindi maganda yung pakiramdam. Parang apektado lahat. No? But yeah, I'm going to start putting Celine to bed now, guys. It's very late. I'm gonna give rice to Daddy Mike, and then I still have to change Paris' clothes and that. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Maraming salamat, guys, for watching today's video. Hopefully Daddy Mike will feel better tomorrow. Yeah, I'll try to vlog again, give you some updates of what's happening here. No? Thank you, guys, for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Ate, thumbs up, Ate. Come here. Come here. Thumbs up. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you